Bob is in his chef outfit, ready to go. More blending. Chopping. And you have chopped meat, but don't forget that the spices still have to be added and everything, which he will be doing soon. Meats are being put into large pot. He just added the hamburger meat.
Beef,
chopped meat. Yeah. More meat into the food processor. And now the veal is going to be cut open and put into the food processor as well. Spices are being added. And mixing. The cooking process is pretty much finished. That meat right there sits overnight in the refrigerator so that the flavors get happy together and stuff. And then tomorrow it gets stuffed into the natural casing and hung in the smoker. And that's it, folks. That's how you make fresh kibasi from scratch. Hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned a lot. Say goodnight to the TV world, Bob.
Good night, TV world.
And good night, folks.
Dennis forgot about the wine. I add that in last to soak in the meat overnight to make it more moist. And it's going to be smoked over apple wood, so it's apple, wine, and wood kibasi.
And that concludes this evening's episode of Cooking with Master Chef Bob Karinka. Good night, everyone.